Students, good morning. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay. So now let's start the discussion. Okay. So now it's a time to see. Last class, we started with sound. Cooler on this, sir. So light adi అది కొద్దిగా బాగా చెప్పండి. అదే సౌండ్ కొద్దిగా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. లైటే అది లైటే వస్తుందా? Are you getting sound there? Now students, we'll start the discussion. Last time we started with the reading the data from the keyboard and displaying the data on the console. Okay. So what is the function for displaying the data on the console? Print off. What is the function for reading the data from the keyboard? Input of message and input of just input of without message. Those two things we already discussed it. Now it's a time to see the most important point, most important concept, operators in Python. Spell out operators in Python. So we are going to discuss operators in Python. So let us start discussing about operators in Python. Good. Very less students. 50% also not there. Where? Huh? Diwali. Yesterday over na. Yesterday night over na. Today. Okay. So Diwali you can celebrate in the yesterday also. Diwali means you do some puja if you want and come to the class. That is a procedure. Diwali means sleeping up to 11 o'clock. Wake up at 11 o'clock. These are all wrong procedure. Right? I don't know. So it's not correct what people, students are doing. Not correct. Correct? Huh? Not correct. So you are all very sincere students who are attending today. Sincere, huh? But Pilla, you are not seeing the projector. TV is on, huh? Okay. So now I'll move to the further. See students, during this holidays time, if you try to enjoy, you will miss the classes. Already you attended classes of your 21 years. You have listened so many classes. Finally, what happened? You practically observed it, correct? Then after that, what is the result? You study your past and come to future. Now, if you do like this, absent to the classes, not attending daily, it is a problem. Any of students who are coming to the class daily, they are the best. Now I'll move to the further. What is an operator? Can anybody can answer? Do you know C language? Don't know. Telling lies. Telling lies. Have you done homework first of all? Everybody. Can I check the notebook? Now itself. Okay. Done homework. So here nobody is sitting. They found that it is a very danger. Okay, students, do the homework and then move to the further. So what is an operator? An operator, let me start. An operator is a symbol. An operator is a symbol. Symbol like plus operator, minus operator, like a star operator, etc. So now I'm going to say An operator is a symbol which is used to perform, some operation, used to perform some operations on where objects or what values. Used to perform some operation on objects or values. I mean, you see, 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 is equal to what? 30. It is the values, and plus is called one type of what? Symbol. 10 into 2 is called what? 20. What is this 10 and 2 is called? Values. What is this star? Star is called symbol. Used to perform some operation on objects or what? Values. So here I am going to write it. Operators in Python, if any operator connects with two or more objects or what? Values, then it is called what? Expression. Then it is called what? Expression. So the topic name is called operators and expressions in Python. Operators and expressions in Python. If an operator connects with two or more objects or values, then it is called what? Expression. In Python programming, we have 7 types of operators. 7 types of operators. They are, number 1, I am writing, that you are already very famous in this, arithmetic operators. Your C language are already said, but what he said, what I am going to tell, I will tell you. You know arithmetic operators? You know arithmetic operators? You know or not? Yes. You are feeling that you know, but when I ask questions, you cannot answer it. That is your previous talent. Now let me complete, see how big you are. Next is called assignment operators. So, Aravind Yadav, sir, your voice is breaking. Let me confirm from others. Students in online, is my voice is breaking or clear? I hope my voice is clear. Its voice is clear. Aravind, myself only I will come to know whether there is any disturbance. So because of small sound is coming, even my fan also I stopped it. Because my student is the first priority for me. Right. Faninder is saying little breaking. So out of many students, 273 students, 2 students are saying little breaking. I am saying both of them, you please re-log in again. Faninder Singh and then Aravind Yadav, please both of you re-log in. Okay. Come on now. Assignment operator. Spell out. Assignment operator I am going to discuss. Third one is called relational operators. Spell out. Relational operators. Also called as what you know. Relational operators are also called as comparison operator. Comparison operators. Fourth one is called what? Logical operators. Spell out. Logical operators also called as what you know. Comparison operators we can call. And the fifth one I am going to write it. Bitwise operators. Most important. And you don't know this. Virtually speaking, you don't know. That I will explain. In the bracket, I will write it. Directly, I will write it. Most important. In interview, they will ask you bitwise operators more and more. And of course, I don't want to disappoint you daily. Because I want to tell you, before my class and after class, I want to say. So, bitwise operators. Next, the sixth one is called what? Membership operators. Spell out. Membership operators. There are 2 things are there. One is called in. Number 1 is called what? In operator. Spell out. What is an opposite to in? Huh? Out of. Okay, good. Good. Next, not in. Spell out. You're good. Opposite words, you are good. But don't take that much risk. Yes, opposite is Not s means what? No. So don't take that much risk. In, add not for that. Not in operator. Spell out. Not in operator. Okay. Next, seventh one is called identity operator. Spell out. Identity operators. There is a operator called is operator. Spell out. Opposite to is, not is. Is not. By same రాదు కదా మీకు అసలు. Is not operator. Spell out. Is not operator. Is operator and is not operator. These are the which operators? Operators in which language? Python language. Spell out. How many operators are there? 7. Read out. Arithmetic operators, assignment operator, relational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, identity operators. How many membership operators are there? 2. Spell out. In operator, not in operator. Identity operators, is operator, is not operator. This will discuss 3 days in the class. This part I will discuss 3 days in the class in detail. Note number 1. Note number 1. Here, there is a note number 1. In this place, Python does not support Python programming. Python programming does not support unary operators. Unary operators like plus and what? Minus. Your C language supports plus and then minus. Java also, C++ also, everything. Might be you discussed this type of things by your faculty. Correct? You are perfect? Are you perfect in that? Sir, when you are asking question means who is perfect, sir? Now, only thing is, okay, let it be. I'll ask one question. Who knows C language, Java, or at least here? You, only one student. I know that. Others also knows. Now I will ask a question. A is 0. Plus A. What is the value of A? Plus A. What is the value of A? Come on. Good. Girls are good, I think so. 1. Good students. Nice students. A is equal to 0. Plus A plus print of A. What is the answer? 0. Come on. 0. This is the answer. Boys, what is the answer? 0. Okay. This is a blunder. Really? Sir, can you show once? From now so onwards, we are thinking that it is a correct. So far, we are thinking it is a correct. And KVRC is showing what is the reality. Yes, I want to show you, students. Go to, whether it is Java or C language, whatever it is, go to the place. Here I am writing Java. Go to that, girls.java. Girls.java. Boys are not saying anything. Girls.java I am giving. So, come to the point of it. Here I am writing int A is equal to 0. Plus A. Girl said correct answer here. Value of A. So even Java also same. C++ also same. Even C#.NET also same. Let me run this program. Here I am writing. Save it. Go to this place. E:. Let me go to your folder. Why I am saying this is because wrong thing is already there in your mind. You are thinking that it is the correct. Then if I don't solve that problem, who will solve it? That is my worries. Operators and expressions. Under that I will save my program. Girls.java. Go to the command prompt. Here I will go to the command prompt. I'll go to this. Here I will go CMD. Command prompt I will take it. Here I am going to take up E:, CD, KVR Python 9 AM. So operators here, operators and expressions. Program name girls.java is a program is available. See the answer now. Java C girls.java is compiled. What happens? So set path is equal to, let me set once the path because Java path, because I have Python path only in my system. Java path I will explicitly specify. Program files Java JDK bin folder. I want to set it. Go to the place. So run it. So here girls.java. What happens here? System.out.println comma is there. Comma should not be there. Syntax mistake. Okay, done. Java here. Girls. What is an answer? 1. You said 1, correct. But my question is what? A++. There they said 0. The answer you see. Compile once again. You execute. What they got it? 1. Now realize, girls, what you know already is blunder. They also know that, but they don't say. What you know already, right? That means we should not think that we know something that will make you to get the job. Impossible. Because your source did not show practicality in the classes. Understood? Girls, understood? Now, by whom you will ask this blunder? Already you lost your money or not? To whom you will ask this type of mistake? Actually, in companies, they don't ask this question. They don't ask this question. What they will ask, students? If I am setting the question paper, I will ask what question You said 0, but it is a blunder. If I am setting the question paper, I will ask plus plus A plus A plus plus A plus plus minus A plus plus minus plus plus A plus A plus plus minus 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 A minus minus A minus A minus minus. What is an answer? Yes. Nobody can answer it because sir will say very easily plus plus A. A plus plus A only they will say. Only one answer they will say. Student don't know. Because they also know that this question will not come. But they want to see their survival. That is wrong. Once they are coming to teaching profession, they have to enlighten the student skill. Then only they have to come to the teaching position. Am I correct, students? So, deep knowledge makes you to survive in your life. That's why always learn for the best. Lakshmi, oops, gone. Right. So, no problem, students. Luckily, your Python will not support. Actually, that example I written a plus 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 A plus plus. I'll tell you one simple trick. Trick in the sense practical I'll explain by seeing some 1 centimeter, 1 meter statement also. How to say on fingertips. There is one rule is there. One complete technical discussion is there. If I tell you now, 1 meter statement also you will say, sir, answer is this much you will say. Because teacher should be intelligent first. I mean, that is what I'm trying to say. Okay. Anyhow, Python does not support. So next is called what? Note number 2. Note number 2. Python does not support. Python does not support. Python does not support. Does not support. Does not support ternary operator. Ternary operator in the bracket in C language. Question mark colon. And your teacher might be said RES is equal to test condition. Test condition may be written like this. I hope so for your teacher. Expression 1, expression 2, expression 3 might be written. If expression 1 is true, execute expression 2 and keep the result in RES. If expression 1 is false, keep expression 3, keep it in where? RES. Like that might be explained. Such a type of things is not there in where? Python. Now, note number 3. Note number 3. Python supports shorthand operators. shorthand operators are there for efficiency purpose. Shorthand operators like what? Plus equal to, minus equal to, greater than or equal to, and a bitwise operators also I will take it, complement equal to, etc. I will explain in the class. Now note number 4. Python supports, capital letters I am writing. Python supports its own ternary operator. Its own ternary operator. Its own ternary operator. Its own ternary operator called I'm writing in the double quotes, if else operator. If else operator. Generally in your C language, if else condition we can call. In my Python, if else operator is different, if else condition is different. I'll explain clarity where to use, how to use in real time. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce students. These are the note points. People will ask you, is Python supports plus plus and minus minus? No. Unary operator will not support. Is Python supports ternary operator of C language C++? No. Python contains its own ternary operator called if else operator. And Python, like other languages, also supports what? Shorthand operator. Shorthand operator is not a special operator. Shorthand operator will come from existing operators only, it will come. Understand, students? It is a combination of assignment operators mixed with other answers. Is comes under what? Shorthand operator. That I will discuss. After completion of it, I will come to this point. Shall I move forward? So I'm going to talk about what? Arithmetic operators. Online students, up to here. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear up to here? Now I'm going to discuss about arithmetic operators. Please confirm. Now I'm going to start about arithmetic operators. Very, very simple, students. Please look into carefully. Arithmetic operators are those. Arithmetic operators are those which are used to perform arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations such as arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations such as addition, comma what subtraction, comma multiplication, etc. That I will discuss in detail, students. Don't worry. Right? In Python programming, or I can say if an arithmetic operator connected with two or more objects or what? Values, then it is called what? Arithmetic expression. Now, if an arithmetic operator connected with two or more or values connected with that operators, then it is called what? Arithmetic expression. Now in Python programming, we have 7 types of arithmetic operators. They are given in the following table. So given in the following table. Now I'm going to tell you the table here. So students in online, try to understand. Now I'm writing the table here. So carefully understand the table. You need to write the notes also like that. Serial number, then symbol. Next I am writing what? Meaning I am writing. And now I am writing example also. Like that you need to write examples. I am going to write it. Like this you need to write the notes also. Number 1 I am writing. Symbol I am writing plus. Meaning I am writing called what? Addition I am writing. Print of, here I will write, students, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. A plus B, what is an answer? 13. Second one I am writing. It's a very simple. Already you know. In LKG you know. What is this now? Subtraction we can call. So there I will write it. There I will write it. It's very simple. Nothing is special in my class. Already you know this. What is the answer? 7. 7 is the answer. Third one is called what? Star. Star is called what in Python? Do you know any other functionality? Repetition operator. Star is called what? Repetition operator. Star is called repetition operator. Please let us go to once. Here, let me go to once. I will ask one question. Very recent question which is asked in interview. One of my student appeared for interview recently. Of course, I asked them some questions. I asked some questions. 2 into 3. Oh, come on. 6. Now I am asking 2 into 3. Answer, please. Come on. 2 repeated 3 times or 3 repeated 2 times? 2 repeated. Very good. Now I am going to write it. Now I am going to write it. One beautiful question. 2 plus 5 star 3. 2 plus 5 star 3. Come on. 7 repeated. Good. You are blunder. Meeku em radu asalu. 2 plus 3. What is that is called? What is that is called? Answer is what? 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. This is one answer. Option C is called what? Option C is called what? 2, 2, 2, 2, 15 times they will give. Option D, they will give syntax error. What is an answer? Huh? Don't think that my answer is something this A, B, C or not. So come on, answer is what? Huh? C. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 5. You are saying 7 repeated 3 times. అంటే మనకు మైండ్లో ఉండదు, మన మైండ్ మోకాల్లో ఉంటుంది. సో be careful, students. Where is that? What is this 2 plus 5? Come on. But it is STR. Why you are saying 7 printed 3 times? Can't you have such a small intelligence? Shall I ask one more question? Now I am asking 3. Now, like this. Answer my question. Come on. 3 repeated. Okay. So, see that. 3 repeated 6 times. Comma, you tried. Okay. What is happening? See that. 3 repeated 6 times. Then comma, full stop. Now I am asking a question. Now answer my question. Option A, syntax error. Option A, syntax error. Option B, 3. Option C, type error. Option D, this is a type error. Option C, no value will come. Come on. Type error. Good. Who said type error? Good. Correct. Who said? Come on, boys. Option E, can't say. Option B. Good. So come to the point of it. What is this symbol? Plus star. Which one you given preference? What is that? 2 into 3? 6. What is this now? 3 plus this one. Valid or invalid? But 3 said 6 times you said. What is an answer? Valid or invalid? Invalid. What is the answer? What is the invalidness? So you see the error, type error. And you are saying 6 comes that many times, etc. Totally out of order. See my questions, how dangerous they are. Now I am going to say Now I am going to say STR of 2 into 3. Now answer my question. Come on. Good. Huh? 3. 3. Are you sure? Are you sure? Nirmala is saying 3 at the rate star 3. Come on. What is the answer? 3 6 36 or 3 repeated 6 times. So 3 6. Now I will ask a question. Now I will ask a question. Star. What is the answer now? Come on. See, so far you did not answer anything, even though I asked so many questions. What is the answer? Come on. Huh? Come on. Type error. What is the type of 3? What is the type of 2 into 3? STR into STR. Not possible. Can't multiply. Already shown you. Already you know this. Okay. Last and final. See, I asked so many things, but you did not answer. By asking this many questions, my time is delayed. If I don't ask these questions, you will get it in interviews. Okay. Now I am writing. Now I am writing 3 star 2. 3 star 2. Be careful. Be careful. Now I am answering a question. 3, 3, 3, 2. Now B, option B I am giving. Option B I am giving 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Option C I am giving. Option C I am giving 3, 3 and 3, 3, 6. Option D. Option D 3, 6. Come on. So 1 minute. So, okay, correct. Come on. My options are correct. Which one is your answer? Option B. Raise the hands. Option B. Okay. So how? 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Here 3 into 3. Which one given preference? Concatenate. This is for repetition operator. This is a multiplication operator is there. Which one is a given preference? See that. Multiplication operator. 6. And this 3 repeated how many times? 6 times. Are you following? Good. Last and final. Last and final. So STR of 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. Answer. Come on. Come on. 5. 5. Cannot. Good. What is this now? STR. 2 plus 3, what type? What is this 3 into 2? It is called STR. It is called what? Repetition. 3 into 2. What is this now? This is called what? STR. So you said what? Cannot multiply. Are you correct? Are you correct? What is this data here? 5. What is this operator? Star. What is this value? 6. It is as good as similar to what? 5. And into what? 6. Possible or not possible? Possible. Then you are saying cannot multiply. Come on. When somebody says wrong, you will go along with wrong only. Cannot multiply. Cannot multiply. Answer. Say that. This is called which one? 2 plus 3, 5. Converted into which type? And what is this value? 6. That is nothing but a 5 star 6. What is that? STR value repeated this many times. What a beautiful steps. These are all called special points I will write in the place. So I'll write some extra points here. Because these are all competitive coding level you will come across. Special points. I'll write it. Try to follow and try to do it. These are all special points. Great points, these are all. You'll not find in any one of the website. Take care. So this is a syntax error. I'll keep everything and see this now. Practice it after going to home. So here also, these are all very powerful questions. Now, rest of the answers, come to the point back. Up to here, you are already aware of it. Multiplication operator. What is this now? 3 into 2, A into B. What is the answer now? 10, 30, 30. These things already you are aware of it, right? These things already you are aware of it. Now I am going to take fourth slash. Next, the fifth one is called what? From here onwards, you must be careful. These are the new things I am saying to you. Sixth one, I am going to say what, percent operator. Now, seventh one, I am going to write it. Star operator. Star operator. Now, I'll talk about division. Division. This one, division always gives you what, float coefficient gives. Always gives what? Float coefficient it will give you, students. Float coefficient it will give you. So there I will write it. There I will write it. Print of what? 10 by 3. 10 by 3. 10 by 3. 10 of what? 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 1. Dot what? 0. 3 3s are 9. Again. Again it is 1. Again 3 3s are 9. Like this. 1 1 1. 3 3 3 3 3. What is an answer? Come on, answer. 3 point. 3 point. 3 point. 3. 3 3 3. Some 5. You will be getting last 5. How that 5 will come in further, I'll explain in one moment. Even in demo time, this was asked. That's why some students are saying 5. That time you said 3.3 bar, that, this, etc. you said. But this is going to be something like this. You'll get it. Let me show you up to here. Print of what? 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3. These are all very simple LKG level questions that you are already aware of it. Now I'm going to write it. /3. I'm writing. See the answer now. This is the one you are getting it. This is the one you are getting it. Are you following me? This will give you. It is called what, floor division we can call. Spell out. Floor division. What is the floor division, sir? Now I'm going to talk about, integer coefficient will come. Integer coefficient will come. Integer coefficient. You are going to get, integer coefficient will be getting it. There I will write it. Print of what? 10//3. It is going to give you just 3 will be given. Just 3 will be given. Out of many number of decimal places, it will give you what? Only integer coefficient. When you go to this place, double slash, you write it. It will be given as what? Like this. Did you understand this point? Well, so be careful. The first question comes in interviews when they're asking operators. What is the difference between single slash and double slash? Single slash will give you what? Float coefficient. Double slash will give you what, mom? Come on. Integer coefficient will be given. Are you following me? Integer coefficient. Float coefficient will be given. Next is called what? Integer coefficient will be given. 10 by 5. What is the answer? Come on. 2.0. ఇప్పుడే కదా చెప్పింది మీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు ఏం రాదు. ఫ్లోట్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 10 by 5. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్? 2. Single slash 0. But here, yes. Double slash just 2. Just 2. Go to that. Print of what? 10/2. 5.0. 10 double slash 2. Just 5. Are you following this? So take care, students. Floor, this is called what? Integer coefficient will be given. Answer is that. And I'm going to write it. I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. What is this now? Modulo division we can call. Modulo division we can call. Modulo division. Print of what? 10% is A percentage B. Of course, I will write here. A by B, I will write it. A by B. Here I will write it. A double slash B. Now I will write it. A percentage B I am writing. A percentage B. It is going to give you the remainder. Gives what? Remainder. I will write remainder operator it is. Remainder operator we can call. So go to the place 10 percentage 3 modulo 3 this is. What is the answer? Remainder, you know remainder also. This is called 3 3s are 9 and what is this is called remainder. So this will be given by what operator? Modulo division. Suppose I am having 4968. This is my data. I want to get only 8. Only 8. How to get the last number 8? How to get it? 4968 modulus of what you know? Percentage operator of 10. 10 496. 10 496. What is this now? 4960. What is the value coming? Like this. Are you following? Like that. You must have some small shortcut tips also for it. Right, students? Coming to the point back. Now I'm going to say this operator is called what you know? Exponentiation. Exponentiation. Exponentiation we can call. This is also known as what you know? Power of operator we can call. Power of operator. Power operator we can call. There I'm writing print of what? A star star B. That is nothing but A to the power of 3. That will be taken as what? 10 to the power of 3. Which is called normally with what? 10 into 10 into 10. Which is called what? Like this we can get it. Instead of that you can write a 10 star star 3. Which is equal to what also? 1000. Suppose I want to compute 10 to the power of 20. You cannot write with a lengthy code like 10 into 10 into 10 into 20 times. Who will write it? The waste of time or not? Simply I want to write what? 10 star star 20. Star star 20 means I will get the answer. Moreover, what is the special advantage of this operator? Suppose 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2 means what? 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square means 1 by 10 into 1 by 10, which is going to be called 1 by 100. And if you want to do with a star operator, not possible. If this is the case, I will write what? 10 star star minus 2, I can write it. So that you can get the answer. Are you following, guys? Now look at that. Look at that. Now I am writing 10 star star 3. 10 star star 3. It is called what? 10 star star minus 2. 10 star star minus 2. What is happening? 0.01. Got it or not? Very good. Now this is going to be which operators? Quickly. Arithmetic operator. Now I want to know students in online. Did you understand these points? Did you understand these arithmetic operators? How many arithmetic operators are there? 7. Spell out. Plus, minus, star, slash, double slash, percentage, double star. Single slash and double slash is called what? Single slash is called a division. Gives float coefficient. Double slash will give you what? Floor division, integer coefficient. Percentage will give you what? Modulo division. Double star will give you what? Exponentiation. Now I am going to talk about the note. Please look at the note. And this is a very important point. Anybody can answer 10 slash slash what you know? 30. What is the answer is coming? 3. 3 you will get it. If I write 10 slash slash 10 single slash 3, you'll get. So when I apply slash double slash between what? Into type, you will get the corresponding results like this. Getting or not? Now the point is, be careful. Small example, I will write it. 10.0 by 3.0. What is the 10.0 and 3.0? Floats. Slash is applied. Same answer. 3.3335 only. No change in that. Now, double slash I am applying. Students. Earlier I was applied what? 10 slash 3. What is an answer? 3. Because it is an integer, integer coefficient only. Here also same. But the double slash will give you the result of same type what you applied. What you applied? Float. Result also will come in what? Coefficient form only. But what is the coefficient actually coming? 3. But to express it is a float, what will come? 3 point? Very nice. 3.0. Actual answer is what? 3.333. This will not come. What will come? 3.0. To express that, this is applied between what? Floats. Did you catch my point? Well, now see students, I will apply one integer value, one float value, one integer value. What is the result here also? Same. Same answer. This like this only here also. Same answer. But I am applying what? Double slash. What is the answer? Float plus integer is also float. So that is also going to give 3.0 only. Did you understand? Last and final. 4 combinations I am saying. 4 combinations I am saying. See guys, 3.0. What is the answer now? Come on. 3.33335. Are you following? Now I will apply what? Double slash. Also will give you what? 3.0. I hope you got it. These points you must have the special points here. So point number 1, point number 2, you must know about it. These points you try to remove and you take this point number 1. This is called point number 2. This is called point number 2. This is called point number 2. So this is called point number 3, point number 4. This is the data. So I hope that it is float by float, float by float, float by int, int by float. I hope you got it, students. So this part already we have done it. Which part you have done it? This part, where is it? This part also I will carry. Integer by integer, float by float. All these 4 special points I set. You must be careful enough. Very recently, this type of question was asking and the answers are what? 3.0, 2 check boxes they give. Which one is correct? Generally, people will go for 3. But actually, what is the type they applied? Float. Result also called what? Float. Understood that? This is about which operators? Right. Open the notes. All of you open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which demonstrates the functionality of which demonstrates the functionality of arithmetic operators. Which demonstrates the functionality of arithmetic operators. Which demonstrates the functionality of arithmetic operators. Well, the program. Now the related to this program output I am going to show you. Where you can do this program, I can do it in any one of the place. Ideally, I can do edit plus I can do. Let me show you the edit plus, new, and say others, and say what? Python. There I am writing. Look at guys. Program for demonstrating. You can do it in Notepad also, but I am saying don't do that. Go to PyCharm directly. Demonstrating which operators? Arithmetic operators. Why I am writing here only? Because when I am typing, it won't show any errors, here error, here error. Because you have to apply your brain on the program. When the IDE is helping, you won't apply your brain. You will say, okay, IDE will tell so that I can rectify. No. If I type now, it won't say anything. Myself only will be careful. So come on now, I will access the data. Int of input of enter value of A. Enter value of A. Now I am writing enter value of B. Enter value of B. 2 values I got it. Now for my purpose of that, backslash, now I am writing arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators result. I am showing one small beautiful output I want to show you. See that, students. Now I am writing star print of, now I am saying, students, star of 50. I am saying, do you understand this meaning? Which symbol printed 50 times? Star symbol printed 50 times. Compulsory online students will ask today, sir, what is the use of this line number 4 and line number 9? So print of what I am doing? Come on. I will say, come on now. I say first A value, plus B value and is equal to what? C value. I'll write dot format of what? A comma B comma A plus B. C లేదు ఇక్కడ. A comma B comma C A plus B. Now just try to run it, students. Now I am giving my program as what? Arithmetic operators example 1.py. Arithmetic OP example 1.py. Go to the place. Now I am going to write it. In this place, I am going to save my program. How do you run your code? I'll go to my place and I'll come to this place. What is my program here? Arithmetic operator 1.py. Let me delete my Java program, star.java. Del star.class also. So see, students, I'm having only what? I'm having what only? dir. My program name is only available. Are you following me? How do you run the Python program? py. Already you know Python and py are the tools to run my Python program. So it was not there because I set Java path I set. That's why you just come to that once again. Come to that once again, students. No issue. I'll come back because I set my permanent path for Java. That's why that error was coming. You can set Python path also, no issue. Okay, actually I want to show you that I will set it once again. I will set you the path. So here I am writing cd Python. How to set the path for Python also I will show you, no issue. kvr Python 9 a.m. operators. Now see that py. My program name is that one. Access the value 10 and then what? 3. Result is what? 10 plus 3. Supposed to print my result a little middle of the screen. I want to get some tab spaces to maintain. To give the tab spaces, I will write \t. Stands for tab spaces. It is a C language concept. \t, \u, \x, \n, \s. So many are there. But you know only 2. \n, \t. Rest of the 9 you don't know. And you will feel that you are expert in C language. 9 you don't know. That teacher don't tell that other 9. Right or not? So come to the point back. See the answer now. 10 and 2. Are you seeing some gap here? That is the effect of what? \t. Go to the place. Here also I will write \t. Here also I will write \t. Enter the value 10 and 4. I got arithmetic operators here. Some gap is coming or not? Some gap is coming. Well, students, now I will go to print of what? \t. I say this now. Minus here is equal to like this. Dot format of what? A comma B comma A minus B. A minus B. Now I am writing like that. A star B. A star B I will write it. Take care, students. Now I am writing one more is called what? Single slash. Now I am writing single slash. So done. Now I am saying double slash. Here also double slash. Now here also I am saying what? I am writing here star. Now I am saying here star. See, students, carefully try to. Yeah, double star you need to write it. Say, run. 10 and 3, you see, students. 10 plus 3, 10 minus 3, etc. 10 star 3 like that. Are you following me? Right. Now I will say something like 10 and then 4 you say. 10 plus 4, 4 by 10 minus, etc. 2.5, 2 and then like this. Percent operator I forget. What is this now? I say here what you know, percent. So I am using A%B. A%B I am writing. So coming to the point back, 10 and then 4. What is the 10% is for? Remainder is what? 4 to the 8. Remainder is called 10 minus 2. Remainder is called 2. Are you following me? This is the subject of what operators? Arithmetic operators. If we go to the PyCharm, go to the PyCharm once. PyCharm 2023. Have you installed PyCharm, students? Right. So black t-shirt adjacent, watching mobile. Correct. Stand up. Watching mobile. Huh? Why? Important, huh? WhatsApp. Important. Ma? Even a class, even. Kucho. So come to the point back. Here I'm going to close this part. Here I'm going to say, recently, one of my student sent one YouTube short for me. YouTube short. One of the ex IPS officer said, "Don't watch Telugu comedy shows. Don't do that. Learn Python code." This he said. I don't know. Might be you have seen because you are expert in watching YouTube shorts. He said, "Learn Python code. Save your life in your career." He said. Might be some of the students might be known. If you come to me, I will forward that video for you. If you want, you will not come to me. Why? Because by listening that you will feel. Go to the new project. Now I am saying, here I am saying 9 a.m. operators. 9 a.m. operators I am taking. So 9 a.m. operators I am taking. Let me take up that operators here. Virtual environment is created. There I am going to create it. So let us start understanding about this code. I don't write anything. Again, I don't write it. Just I will write it. AOP.py. AOP example1.py. I don't write that code once again. Whatever the code I was written, as it is, I will bring it. Because the code is same everywhere, right or not? But only thing is environment is different. Driving is same everywhere. Whatever the car you have, try to run it. Try to run it. See the answer now. Enter the value of A, 10. Enter the value of B, 3. Answer is same or not? Answer is same. Try to run once again. You say 140. 140. Answer is same. See, 10 star to the power of 4. Such a bigger value C cannot do, C++ cannot do, Java cannot do, .NET only can do. Why? Python only can do. Why? Why? You are waste. Everything stored in the form of object. Already I said, what is the biggest reason to store big data in Python? Everything is object. Did I explain that? Then why are you not remembering? And you are my student. Python, compulsory they will ask you. In Java, this is not possible. In Python, it is not possible. In Python, why it is only possible in where? Python. Why it is possible in Python? Because it is object. Everything is object. That's why it is going to store anything like that. Are you following that? So try to remember that. Now go to the place. Suppose, for example, here, I will disturb my path. Set path is equal to, keep in mind, set path is equal to, I disturbed my path. I disturbed my path. I said something. Now you run the Python code. It is saying that py is not a recognized command. I will write one more also. python. Python. Also saying what? Not a recognized command. That time how do you set? Set path is equal to. Where is my Python tool is available? It is not present into operators and expressions. Where it is present, students? Go to where? C colon, under that what? Users, under that public, under that KVR, under that somewhere else it is available. Okay, instead of worrying about that, directly go to IDLE. Directly go to IDLE. Python 3.12 IDLE. Directly go to that. Why to worry about it? Shortcut makes me perfect to go. CD open. In this place it is available. This is a folder name. This is a folder name. Python all files. You say Python files only. You take it as what? All files. You see here what is coming? Python application is there. What is this entire folder? You see. You just try to paste it here once. It is available. C colon users, app data, local programs, Python 3.312. You need not to remember about this entire thing. Just go to the ideally and then do that. Go to this place and then say path. Copy that entire thing. Control V. Now try to run your program. Happy. 10 and then what? Something like 3. Got the answer. Got it or not? So how to set the path also, you know? How to run the code. Understand, students? Well, so online students must be careful enough in doing that. You need not to set the path every day. Why? Because during the installation time, you set add to the path or not. Add to the path, you put a tick mark. That's why you need not to do daily in the system. If you forget there, it will not execute. You will get the error like that. To avoid that, you need to do what? Set the path. Understand, students? Well, so let us move to the further. This is about first program you have done in the arithmetic operator. Now I want to go for some examples again. Write down, open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate square root of any number. Which will calculate square root of any number. Which will calculate square root of any number. Square root of any number. Just hold on. I'll add one more sentence to that. Look at ma. First of all, what do you mean by square root of a number? Please look at. See, I want to calculate square root of 25. In C language, what you will use it? SQRT function you will use it. SQRT is called what? Predefined function. And you will write immediately what on the top? Hash include. Hash include. What you will say? Math.h. You will write or not? So that you will use SQRT of this 5. 5.0 will be coming or not? In Python also. Go to the Python also. What is there? Import math. Math is called module. Math dot what? SQRT of what? 25. You got the answer called what? 5.0. But the question in interview point of view is without using SQRT function of math module. Did you understand the question? Add that. Add to your question. Write a, what is the question is written? All of you go through that. Write a Python program which will calculate the square root of a given number without using, add it, without using SQRT function. Without using, you write like this, SQRT function of math module. 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 So they are saying don't use the right. As a hint, you write there. Just actually, it is not our case. We can do it easily by using what? Like that. Just write. Right under that note, you write it. Note. Everybody write it. Import math, including this symbol also you write. As it is. Greater than, 3 greater than. Import math. Just one side you write it. Math.sqrt of 25. 5.0. That is an answer. But our logic is what? Not to use what? SQRT. Are you following? Now come. Look at all of you. What is this now? Square root of, in general, what is the value? N. In general, what is the value? N. N can be 25. N can be anything or not. So on the top of N, what is there? 1. On the top of N, what is there? 1. Square root of x means x to the power of 1. You know that, no? Mathematics. Now, square root means what is there here in the square? 2. It is there here what? 2. Cube root means what will be there? 3. How do you write it now? Mathematically, how do you write it? N to the power of 1 by 2. N to the power of 1 by 2. This you must know. Sir, how 1 by 2 is coming means you wear the school dress and go to 6th class. Originally, I want to say that. And where it is available, I am saying. N to the power of 1 by 2 is nothing but what? If you strictly want to come, N to the power of 0.5. To the power of, there is an operator in Python. In Python, what is the Python instruction? Python instruction is, what is this now? N star star what? 0.5. This is an answer. One more way is what? Python instruction is what? Python instruction is what? N star star, N star star, 1/2 you write it. Don't write N star star 1/2. You don't write like that. 1/2 you don't write. Why? Double star is having more priority than what? Slash. Slash is having more priority than single star. But a double star is having more priority than every arithmetic operator. This is called wrong sentence. Understand? Now write down. In your notes only, write down. Hint. You write hint. H-I-N-T. Quickly. Hint. H-I-N-T. Hint. Square root of n. You write as this. This is a mathematical representation. Python instruction. Python instruction this is. This is called Python instruction this is. Python instruction this is. Python instruction. N star star 1/2. N star star 1/2. Are you following me? Shall we move to the further? Yes, now I want to continue. Look at now. Online students, might be you are aware of it. Now look at now. N is equal to what here? 25. N is equal to what? 25. Or directly 25 star star. What is this now? 0.5. What is an answer? 5. 25 star star 1/2 you write it. Same answer. But don't write like this. Star star like this. 25 star star means 25 to the power of 1. 25/2 is called what? 12.5 you will get it. See that? 12.5. So we should not write like this. BUDMAS rule you need to follow. So who is having more priority? Double star slash. Who is having more priority? Double star. Are you following? Right. Coming to the point back. Now I want to write a program. Look at now. I'll go to the program now. How to write in the program format. Here I wrote what? I tested what? One line instruction. What I'm writing? Arithmetic operator example 2. Arithmetic operator example 2.py. Arithmetic operator example 2.py. Careful students. Arithmetic operator example 1. Example 2.py. Come on. Program for calculating square root of given number without using SQRT function of math module. Come on fast now. N is equal to what? Input of int of or float of whatever it is. Input of enter a number for getting its square root. Now I'm going to write it. What is this next? RES is equal to N star star what? 0.5. Print of, directly I will write it. SQRT of square root of that given number is equal to dot format of N comma RES. Try to run this now. Enter the value, some 25. You got the answer 5.0. You run the value once again. You come to this place. You say some 3. Square root of 3 is called what? 1.732, etc. will come or not? 1.732 is coming. Be careful, ma. 2 you write it. 1.414, etc. is coming. See, such a bigger value I don't want. I want to round it off. Round it off for what? 2 digits. To round it off 2 digits, I'll print it once again here. My dear students, all of you must follow me. I'll say R. I will say R here. There I'm going to write it. Print of what? SQRT of. Tell me. I say here percentage F is equal to percent of what? 0.2 F. And two things if you want to space. What is this now? Percent of what? Percent of what now? N comma what? RES. Already you know this. Try to run, say 3, 1.73. 1.73 as this. Suppose if it is containing more than 5, it will be rounded to the next digit. Rounded to the next digit. You say something like 35. You say something like 35. Please look at 916. 5.916. This is a more than 5 or not? It will be rounded to what? Next digit. Getting or not? Yes. Now you say next part. Next part you say. One more way I will say print of. And why I am saying all these things? Slowly I am going to tell you so many ways and means to become an expert in programming. Print of what? Sir, SQRT of what? Same. This part only. This part only. Dot format of course, if you want something, something like R1 is equal to, R is equal to, there is a function name called what? Round function is there, like a LEN function. Look at, go to this place. 3.17246, etc. like this I'm having. This is my value, given value. Are you following me? Now tell me, round off, I will say like this, students. A is equal to. Now I want to round it to what? 2 digits. There is a function name called what? Round. A comma, given value. How many digits you want to round? And 2 digits I want to take into consideration. So third digit will consider whether to go for second value to upper or second value as it is like that. 5 and above. Look at. What is this now? 3, 2. Now I will go to what? Something like 5 I will take it. 5 I will take it. 5 I will take it. Please carefully follow. It will take it as what? 5 and above. Taking what? 3. Rounded to the next or not? You take it, students. Only 4. Already you have seen it. You say round of what? Round of what? 2. It is going to give you 1, 2 only now. Getting, students? Suppose you say round of what? 3. And the first 3 digits I will consider. What is the fourth digit? 5. So this 4 will become what? So that's all. I hope you understood. Like that. Come on to the point. Here I will write it. SQRT of N comma. What is this now? Round off. Who is that? King of Hyderabad. Who is that King of Hyderabad? My dear student, I want one work because you are King of Hyderabad. Can you do one work for me? One influence I want. Can you do one work for me? King of Hyderabad. Who is that? So now I am going to say N comma what? Round of what? RES comma what? 2. RES comma 2. Are you able to follow? Sudhir, now my dear student, I am just Python faculty for my students. King of Hyderabad. May I know your name? May I know your name? Please tell me your name. Are you following me, students? Right. So, if you say I am a king of Python, if you say, I feel very happy. If you say king of Hyderabad and all, what is the use of it, students? That's what I'm asking. I want some small favor. From the king of Hyderabad means he can do anything now. I want one favor. So, may I know your name, student? Nani. Okay. Nani. Can I do one favor for me? Can I do one favor for me? Huh? Okay, he's not saying anything. Now I'm going to run this code. Now, run this code. Enter the number for getting its square. Say number 3 I'm entering. What is the 3 here? Are you following? What is this now? Float cannot be interpreted. Something is coming here. What is that now? Round off N comma. Okay. No N comma, no RES only. N comma RS. This I should not go for it. Two things I wrote it. That is called RES. Yeah, wrong syntax I used it. Now you will get the answer. 3. So 3 is the answer now. What is coming? 2 is coming. What is this now? Round of 2. Square root of 3. Something is going out. So better what I do is RES is equal to R is equal to round of what? Round of what? RES comma what? 2. RES comma 2. RES comma 2 means what? Use come on to this place. A is equal to 1.732732456, something like that. Round of A comma 2, you are getting what? 1.73 only. So I wrote like that. RES I got it. And I will write it here. What is this now? N comma what? R. That's all. So try to run it. So 3 I said, what I got it. Got it or not? In simple words, whatever the R place you have written, you can substitute. If you try to get any mistake, try to do separately students and try to do like that. That's more than enough. So 3, am I getting correct answer or not? Like that. If anything wrong, you divide it piece by piece, then you integrate it. Now you enter 2, you enter 2. 1.414, etc. Now 1.41, see this original data with a percentage of, with the what? Round function also I used it. Right? My dear student, Anurag, need not to worry. It is, I did not type it. Automatically that will come for representing this as multiple values. Okay, Anurag, shall we move forward? Yes. Understood? Right. One more program. Write a Python program. Come on. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. That's all. Look at students. See, from now onwards, you must improve your problem solving skills. Look at, I want to look at, is it homework or classwork? Homework or classwork? Good. So, who said homework? Raise your hands once. When you are raising the hand means a lot of difficulty you are facing. Because, okay, good. So, only few girls are not raising. What you will ask unnecessarily? Why? If you fear like that, how can you come up? Now see, logic number 1, you need to do it. What is the logic number 1? A plus B star 2. A plus B star 2. Logic number 1. Logic number 2. Why I say raise your hands? To see your creativity and mind logic development, how you are getting it. One more is what? A plus B into what? A plus B. A plus B into A plus B. This is one more. Logic number 3. Mathematics version. What is the mathematics version for that? A square plus 2AB plus B square. This is your mathematics version. What you will write? A into A. A square means A into A plus what? 2 into A into B. 2 into A into B. Next is called what? B into B. B into B. Logic number 4. A star 2. A star 2. 2 star A star B plus what? B star 2. B star 2. These many logics are there. This is a mathematical version of what? Python. Mathematical version of any language. You will do this many. Right down. Hint. Why I am saying these many solutions? Because you have to have a lot of solutions for one given problem. Right down. Hint. Logic 1, logic 2, logic 3, logic 4. All these things you have to write a code for that. Come on, quickly. Are you increasing your thinking power? Guys, tell me. Before my class, after my class, is your growth is increasing? How much percentage so far? Just I am asking. Girls, how much percentage, ma? I am asking. If improvement is there, tell me. Otherwise, you just don't say anything. How much? Approximately. మనం చదువుతే కదా అమ్మా 40%, 50%. Okay, good. Boys, how much percentage? 40. Copying girls, huh? Online students, I will ask. They will decide how much percentage they are increasing. Shravan is saying 30%. King of Hyderabad 100%. That is the wrong answer. 100% if you say, that's not correct. Still subject is going on now. So your confidence increasing or not? Confidence, if it is increasing, it is well and good. So, right, Nirmala, Lavanya, Lakshmi. Okay, ma. Right, Fanidhar, Rahul. Right, good. Now, is it over? Right, 0 to 70%. Okay, good. Saumitra. Okay, Suraj, Pradeep, good students. Okay, guys, please continue and improve your logics. Right on. Next, will you do that? Right. Hussein Basha, more than in my entire college knowledge. Good. Hussein Basha. Rita Devi, sir, 45%. Good. Nice students. Please do that. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate. Look at on the screen, please. On the screen, everybody. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. Actually, you need not to know any formula, students. Don't remember your formulas. Don't waste your time. Right or not? In your intermediate, lot of trigonometry formulas you remembered or not? Any use? Only for entrance purpose you remember. Write the entrance, get the seat, improve your practical knowledge. Over. Understand? Forget. If you keep the trigonometry formula, limits, integration, mind will become blank. Once you get entrance rank, forget and freshly start your practical career. That is my advice. Okay. Look at a to the power of m by a to the power of n. How many logics? Logic number 1. Tell me, ma. A to the a star star m. A star star m. What is this now? Slash a star star n. A star star n. This is logic number 1. Logic number 2. Logic number 2. Come on, logic number 2. What is the next? A, if you go to mathematical environment, my dear students, a to the power of m, if you get this denominator to the numerator, it will become a to the power of minus n. Bases are same, powers are added. Powers are added. You learned already, na? Why not powers are multiplicated? Sir, that's what I'm saying, students. Don't worry about all these things. M plus of minus n, that will become m to the power of, right. Logic number 2, based on that, I will write like this. Come on, ma. A star star in the bracket m minus n. M minus n. Like that, you need to write it. Understood, guys? Write down. As it is, you write down. Bharatendu Kumar. Sir, you are only one master in Java and Python, but in maths as well. Okay. So, my dear students, my interest is only one thing, ma. Remember, the whole and soul, my teaching opinion aim is, as far as my batch students are concerned, I want to make them perfect. Because that's why I wrote in the day 1, 3 conditions I write. I want to make you good. That is only my intention. That's all. If you cooperate and if you understand my mindset. Did you understand that? Will you do that as a homework? Good. Now, last and final, after writing that, 2 homeworks I gave. One more homework I want to give you. Look at ma. Of course, why I am giving this? Because if you go to data science level, if you go to bigger companies, they will give one formula for you directly, and they will ask you write a code for that. And I never worry about that formula. I will see what are the operators involving in that. Which operator I am using? Exponentiation operator I am using or not? Look at this is also one more. These are all hacker ranker practicing examples. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. A to the power of m by a to the power of n. This is logic number 1. Please tell me the logic. Don't worry about the formula. One exponentiation, two that exponentiation, another exponentiation. How many exponentiations? 2 exponentiations. Tell me everybody. A star star m, a star star m. First you do that. Next what? Very good. Very good. One more is what? Logic number 2. See, according to mathematics, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, it is nothing but a to the power of mn. A to the power of mn. Come on, logic number 2. A star star bracket of m into n. M into n. Somebody will ask you, what is the difference between star star and single star? Star star is called exponentiation operator, power of operators. Star is called what? Multiplication operator. It can also be used for repetition operator also. If you tell like that, you'll have solid knowledge on that. Are you able to follow, students? Right. So coming to the point back, this is called my subject of it. Write down. Write down this. Alok Naik, sir, voice is not clearly audible. Please re-log in. If voice is not clear, myself only will tell. My voice is clearly visible now, audible to everybody. Alok Naik, you re-log in by yourself. Write down that. I mean, yes, audible. So will you do it as a homework? Good. Easy or difficult? Easy. Good. Now I am asking one small conclusion, one small point also. That is, these are all called hacker ranking related. Day 1 onwards, I am starting with hacker ranking examples. So next, I will move to the further. One more question. This is also very, from here, you will get it lot of awareness now. Write a Python program. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a number of days, which will accept a number of days, which will accept a number of days, and convert into number of years, number of years and months, months, number of days, number of months. Mohan, please upload round function example also. My dear student, nothing is there in round function. Can't you remember that? Can't you remember that round function example? Easy. So now, so sir, can we join HTML class? You can join, no issue. You can join HTML class. You can along with Python, you can join HTML class. Along with Python, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript you can learn. If the teacher teaches well, you will understand. That is only the blind rule I said already in the class. Now come to the point back. What is this now? What is this now? My number of days is equal to something like 460 days. Number of days is equal to what? 460 days. Now I have to convert into what? Convert into year and then convert into what? Months. To convert into year, what is that I should do? Year is equal to number of days percentage what? 12. More into what? Less. Number of days converted into what? So what is this now? Slash or percentage? Slash, double slash. What is this now? 12. So that is called what? 460. 460 divided by what? 12. Come on now. Come on. 3. What is this now? 3 na 2 na? 3. What is this now? 36. 36. Is it 3 years? Huh? No. So number of days into what? So not 12 months. Yes. I will write it, not this 12. This is for months conversion. Correct or not? Very good. Now I'll go to myself used wrong here. 365. Correct or not? 365. Yes. 460 of what? 365. 365. What is this now? 1. 365 is coming. What is this now? This is called 5. What this is called? 95. So year is containing what now? Year is containing 1 year. 1 year. Next I need to go for what? What is the number of days is called here? Number of days is called what? 95. You please remember. Here I am writing still number of days is equal to what I am doing? Year. Percentage. What I am doing? Sorry. Year no. Number of days. Yes. Number of days. Percent of what? 365. What is the number of days here? What is the number of days here? 90. Oh, yes, ma. 95. 95. Number of months is equal to what? What is this now? Number of days. This is NOD. NOD. NOD percentage what? NOD slash, sorry. NOD slash double slash what? 12. So what is this now here? This is okay. Now NOD is called what? 95. 95 of what? 12. What is this now? 12. How many? Sorry, not that. I need to go for what? 30. 30. 1 month contains how many days? Like 1 year contains how many days? 365. 1 month contains what? 30. Good. 95 of what? 30. Come on. 3 3s are 90. What is this now? 5. What is this number of months, ma? 5 months. Go to home now. 3 months. Number of days is equal to what next? Number of days. Percentage of what? 30. What are the days? 5. I hope you are following. This is there. I will print year. Number of days 460. 1 year, 3 months, 5 days. Are you following? Just take this hint. Take the hint fast. Take the hint fast. As it you take and do that. Quickly do it, ma. Input is given number of days is 460. Year conversion number of days double slash 365. Mohan, I hope you are not doing any homework or not. So round function write in the notes, sir. Write program for this example, sir. I wrote everything as it is like that. What students, will you do homework or don't do? Okay. If you don't do it, I will do it in the next class. No issue. Mohan, next class I will do it. If everybody is not doing, I will do. Or I will do tomorrow. Next class compulsory I will do. Don't worry about it, Mohan. You relax it, okay? Without doing homework, in further, even if it is simple example also, you will say, sir, do it in the class, you will say. That is not the way. You have to do by yourself. Okay. Shai Ram. So you are the best teacher of all teachers in my career. I don't say to impress you, sir. It's true. Okay, ma. That's okay. No problem. Okay, Shai Ram. Take care. So Don't try to impress somebody. You impress the interviewer with good subject. That's all. You satisfy by yourself. You say answer to yourself. Am I doing good or not? That's more than enough. Okay, students, is it logic is okay? Is logic noted? You try to do it. If you are not able to do it, next class I will do. Now time is up. Now next class I will go for what? Doing the logic for that. Now I'll go to which operator next class when I come back. I will go forward assignment operator, relational, and then logical operators. 3 operators I will cover. Don't miss the class tomorrow. Very important. Thank you. All the best. Abhijit Shinde, tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Shinde. Tell me.
Sir, can you please go to line number 29?
20?
29, 29.
Where is it? Here, huh?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Mm, uh, Not here, sir. You showed those points where
No.
there errors you showed while you were explaining the interview example your student faced.
Which example, ma?
Using the star operator.
I hope here, huh?
Yeah, I guess, sir. Sir, 29, 29.
29, huh?
Sir.
29 is nothing is there here.
Sir, can you please scroll down here? In special points. Yes, yes, sir. Just a minute. This one, 64. So here, after this double inverted commas, there must be one star that's it's missing. So is this error occurred?
That's only syntax error, na?
Yes.
Either comma.
Means
Comma
here, if
missing.
you put a star, then there will be no error.
There is a?
If here we put a star, so this error will be rectified.
Already here it is there. Here it is there.
Yes. 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 Okay.
Okay, now?
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, student. Okay, students, any more doubts? Okay, students, no more doubts are there. I'll upload the notes. Take care. All the best.